Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcuts on this watch. So let's start by opening the settings on our watch. To do it, press and hold the middle button to open the menu, then scroll down and tap on the watch settings option. Once in settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system and then tap on it. And here you should see the option called shortcuts. Select it. And right here we have the list of shortcuts we can basically choose from. We have hold start, hold back, hold down, hold start plus down, start plus up, back plus light, and back plus up. The start button is the one right here at the upper right side. The back button is the lower left side, or rather right side, my bad, lower right side. The light button is the upper left. And that's about it. So we have combinations of those three buttons. So find the shortcut you would like to use. For example, I don't know, maybe start plus up. Oh, so never mind. We also have the up button. So this one, the menu button. So find the combination you like, tap on it, and then scroll through the list of functions and find something you want to open with that shortcut. For example, let's say I want to open the settings. Okay, so now when I'm on the watch face, because the shortcuts work on the watch face, okay, and press the start plus up, so this one and this one, press and hold them, it should open the settings for me, like this. And you can customize it to whatever you like. And you have different shortcuts, so basically you can make your watch a bit more tailored to your usage basically, so you can customize the shortcuts and then use it however you prefer. And of course, once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you customize the button shortcuts on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.